Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. The square root of 72 plus the square root of 72 equals m times the square root of n. It's not shown above. In this equation, m and n are integers such that m is greater than n. Which of the following is the value of m? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Now let's see how we can solve this. So square root of 72 plus square root of 72, well, we can write it as 2 times the square root of 72. That would be equal m and square root of m. So it's in a form that is actually good for us, because then 2 would be m and the square root of 72 would be n. But the problem is that m is greater than n. So we would have to take out numbers under the square root. And how we can do this? How we can do that? So 72. 72, what is 72 equal to? Well, 72 is 8 times 9, I believe. Yes, it's 8 times 9. And how we can write this up? We can write this up in another way. It is 8 is 2 to the third. It's 2 times 2 to the second power. And 9 is 3 to the second power. So actually, we can take from under the square root, we can bring out 2 and 3 because they are on the second power, and we would be left by a 2. So what's the m? So n would be 2. M would be 2 times 2 times 3. It's 4 times 3. That's 12. Answer is B. And that's a solution. How you managed to solve it? Well, let's see another one. It's a bit more difficult, but you can actually solve it with the same method. So give it a try if you like. Let's see how we can solve this. I won't read it out. It's the same thing. Just have different numbers and different letters. So we would like to have the same thing. We would like to bring out from this number. So 4464. Well, it's a bit trickier to break it down as multiples, but we have the method where we can just divide by primes. So if we just divide by primes, we can get every component of it. So we can divide by 2, we can divide by 2, we can divide by 2. Okay, that would be 500. Division is hard. 58, I believe, we can divide by 2. It would be 2, 7, and 5, 9. Okay, but this isn't divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? While so 2 and 7 and 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 12. 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so it's divisible by 3, and it's 9 and 3, that is divisible by 3, that is 31. 31 is, I believe 31 is a prime itself, yeah. So 4464 would be equal to 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the 4th power times 3 to the 2nd power times 31. And we see that this could be, we can bring this out from the square root. It would be 3 times 2 to the 4th power. The square root of that is 2 to the 2nd power. This is the 2nd power. The square root of that is 3. We are left with 31. Just multiply this out. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 is greater than 31. So our answer, wait, why don't we have that? Oh yeah, I forgot to change the answers. Doesn't matter, our answer is 36. So, have you managed to solve it? Anyway, that I forgot to put here the answer. If you want to see more problems like this, without missing solutions, check out my other videos. And thank you for watching.